In the fight to keep the US dollar as the world's reserve currency, who will come out on top? How will it affect your investments, and what can you do? Russia has collaborated with Brazil, India, China and South Africa to establish BRICS, which could be the next world superpower. These countries were ranked among the world's fastest growing and emerging market economies for years. Goldman Sachs even mentioned that the 5 BRICS economies have the potential to dominate the global economy by 2050. Could the formation of BRICS change the current power structure of the US and the world, and how would this affect the investment of US investors? Check the description at any time during this video to sign up for a web conference to review your investment options. There have also been suggestions that the BRICS countries are working on developing their own reserve currency and a single cloud payment system. This would enable these countries to de-dollarize their trade systems and use their own system. It isn't yet clear how this could impact the investments of US investors or 401ks, but it is an area of concern. To add to all of this, we have inflationary instability and cracks appearing in the banking system, and more recently, the IMF announcing that world economies are entering a perilous phase. With uncertainty on how this could affect investments, what steps can you take while key world economies are regrouping? Many experts have recommended the importance of diversifying your investments. Whether the diversification is in real estate, precious metals, bonds or the S&P 500, according to many experts, diversification appears to be a key strategy. You can watch the markets and speak to a financial advisor about your portfolio, but the advice seems to be, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Many financial experts such as Robert Kiyosaki, an economist, investment banker and author of the book, The New Case for Gold, James Rickards, have both recommended including some gold in an investment portfolio. Many billionaires also advocate investing in gold, such as Ray Dalio, who has said, "If you don't own gold, you know neither history nor economics." He has even suggested that it would be sensible to allocate 10% of an investment portfolio to gold. There are several Gold IRA and investing companies that specialize in helping investors and people planning their retirement to purchase gold. We have analyzed many of the leading players in the gold investment market, who help people with their investment and retirement plans to buy gold. We have narrowed it down to 2 key players who rate highly based on price, reviews, customer service and education. This is a good time to find out more about your diversification options. Visit our description below to sign up for a free web conference on gold and the current economic outlook by our #1 recommended provider.